Tonight we're working on the garden and we are putting in drip line and putting fabric down. We're laying drip line right alongside the plants, putting a little bit of dirt on top, and then we are going to lay the fabric in the rows and bring it right up to the plants. And I like to just put a little bit of mulch right around the plants where the fabric doesn't cover. They still get a little bit of rain then, but most of the watering will be taken care of by the drip lines. I like to use drip lines because you can control the amount of water your plants get, and it works well. You can have a schedule, or if it's really hot and dry, you can increase it. It's just a great way of doing your gardening, so I've found that it works well. We have a lot of grass coming up because it's a brand new garden and we just chewed up the sod this year, so many of the little pieces underneath are wanting to shoot up grass, so we got to cover as much as we can, mulch where we can to try and keep it down. All the plants are doing pretty well and they're growing fast, so we need to get our mulch down and get everything set so they can just do what they are going to do.